And see the pipe cutting, it is done in a very circular way na. देखो, see the pipe cutting. देखो, তুমি এটার ফরেন্সিকে যাও, see the pipe cutting, it is done by a saw না, এত রেগুলার है, देखो. See, কোনো জোরে না. ঠিক আছে বাটা. বাথরুমে দেখাম.
সমস্যাটা বলুন.
The problem is I am posted in Melagar Subdivision Hospital, but since there is no quarter, I have to stay in my previous posting, Kathalia Hospital. And my colleague, staff nurse, Dr. Sharmishta Das, staff nurse, she hasn't given me water since 5 days, and I don't know how many days she will keep me. She is dragging me the whole this week. She hasn't given me water, not a single drop of water. Now I request, especially I want to convey my message to especially our health minister, that wherever there is posting for the dental surgeons, either CSC, PSC or district hospital, please give a dental quarter. Because me being a dental officer, I don't have a dental quarter. So I have to stay in a staff nurse quarter. And all these staff nurse, if they gang up on medical officer not giving water, where water is the basic need of a person. Water is life. And they are indirectly not, deliberately not giving me water. So I am not able to perform my duty properly, irregularly. And now, due to COVID protocol, after doing duty, we have to come and take bath. Even I can brush my teeth. How can I take my bath? How can I do my duty? How can I serve the people of Kathalia and Melagar when I am not being served? I am a person from Kuwai. I have been transferred from Kuwai. So what image I will take from the Shipajala district? That there is no water and food for a dental officer. I request our health minister to please provide us dental quarter at least to all the districts, so that no dental officers suffer these from roti kapra maka.